Okay, so now I'm going to put the rear derailleur on. We've got hold of this 1x11. It's SLX. This is the beauty. We're going to put friction shifters on here so you can mix and match, do any combination of derailleurs and stuff you want. So we've got a nice big mountain bike derailleur that is going to be operated using, as I say, the friction shifters, but it means that we can have a nice big cassette on. We've got a nice 32 small chainring here, a big cassette on the back. We live in a very hilly area. This is going to be absolutely stonking. I've put some grease in the thread holes there, so I'm just going to Allen key this on. And the good thing about friction shifters as well is it doesn't matter if your rear derailleur hanger is bent slightly, you're never going to suffer a problem of cable stretch. Okay, so now I'm going to take the cassette off, and if you was to put a cassette on, you simply just use your cassette tool and just tighten it up. Fine. Now if you're removing it though, the cassette spins round. So all you do is you need a tool to stop that from spinning. And this is where your chain whip or something similar like this comes in. So you just put it over, grip the cassette and then hold it in place, and then you can release it. You can see that it's a bit manky. So while I've got these out, I am just going to clean these bearings off and repack it with some grease. Okay, so here it is at the moment, coming along nicely. So just one thing to note: when I got the bike, I presumed, when I was ordering all the bits, I presumed that the cassette that was on was an 8-speed, which means that an 11-speed, basically if you got an 8-speed Shimano hub body, you can have 10, 8, 9, 11, you just use spacers depending on what cassette you've got. When I counted it just up there, I don't know if you saw me do that, or I've put it in the video, I counted 7 and I was like, uh-oh, this could cause a problem. And that's only because I was just presuming things when I should have double checked. So it's worked out fine though. I've made this a 10-speed. We've still got this massive 46T at the back. It just means we're leaving out the last gear there, the smallest gear. But yeah, running fine. What's next? What's next? I tell you what's next.